Once upon a time, in a bustling city, there was a young professional named Alex. Alex was always overwhelmed with tasks and deadlines, constantly putting things off. It felt so tempting to say, "I'll do it tomorrow." But one day, Alex decided to take control and stop procrastinating. By breaking tasks into smaller steps and celebrating small victories, Alex transformed into a productivity powerhouse. It's all about understanding why we put things off, and then learning some clever tricks to outsmart our own brains. Remember, you too can conquer procrastination and achieve your dreams. We're going to break down procrastination, explore the science behind it, and discover practical strategies to become more productive. Think of this as a guidebook to help you unlock your potential and achieve your goals. Start today and unlock your true potential. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Ever wonder why your brain seems to love putting things off? It's not just you, it's science. Our brains are wired to seek pleasure and avoid pain. When we think about a tough task, our brain sees it as a potential source of stress or discomfort. So it tries to protect us by pushing us towards activities that feel good in the moment, like watching videos or playing games. Recent studies have shown that procrastination is a common issue. In fact, a 2023 survey revealed that over 80% of students admit to procrastinating on their assignments. That's a lot of people putting things off. But understanding the psychology behind procrastination is the first step to overcoming it. We can use this knowledge to develop strategies that trick our brains into choosing productivity over procrastination. Remember, procrastination is a habit, not a personality trait. And just like any habit, it can be changed with practice and the right tools. By understanding the science behind procrastination, we can develop a plan to outsmart our brains and achieve our goals.
Let's face it, procrastination can be a real productivity killer. But don't worry, we've got a toolbox full of tips and tricks to help you fight back. One powerful strategy is breaking down large tasks into smaller, more manageable chunks. Instead of feeling overwhelmed by a massive project, focus on completing one small step at a time. This makes the task seem less daunting and gives you a sense of accomplishment as you check off each step. Another helpful trick is to set realistic deadlines. Avoid setting unrealistic goals that set you up for failure. Instead, break down your project into smaller milestones with achievable deadlines. This helps you stay on track and prevents you from feeling overwhelmed. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and your big project won't be either. Finally, create a dedicated workspace free from distractions. Put away your phone, turn off the TV, and find a quiet spot where you can focus. Having a designated workspace signals to your brain that it's time to get down to business. By implementing these practical tips, you can start to take control of your time and overcome the urge to procrastinate. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. That's where the power of small steps comes in. Instead of focusing on the entire project, pick one tiny task and do it right away. It could be something as simple as writing the first sentence of an essay, tidying up your desk, or reading one page of a textbook. The idea is to break down the inertia and build momentum. Once you've taken that first step, it becomes easier to take the next one, and the next, and so on. Think of it like pushing a heavy cart. It takes a lot of effort to get it moving initially, but once it's rolling, it becomes easier to keep it going. The same principle applies to tackling tasks. By starting small, you build momentum and make progress without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, so don't underestimate the power of small actions. By focusing on taking one step at a time, you can accomplish great things. So choose one small task related to your goal and do it right now. You'll be amazed at how much progress you can make by simply starting small. To-do lists can be incredibly helpful, but they can also become overwhelming if they're not managed effectively. A long, disorganized list can leave you feeling stressed and unsure where to begin. That's why it's crucial to tame your to-do list and keep it organized. Start by prioritizing your tasks. Identify the most important or urgent items and tackle those first. This helps you focus your energy on what matters most. Next, break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. Instead of listing "write a research paper," break it down into smaller steps like choose a topic, gather research materials, create an outline, and so on. This makes the task less intimidating and allows you to track your progress more effectively. Finally, consider using a planner or calendar to schedule your tasks. This helps you allocate specific time slots for each item on your to-do list. By visually mapping out your week, you can ensure that you're dedicating enough time to each task and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember, a well-organized to-do list is a powerful tool for staying on track and conquering procrastination. Sometimes procrastination stems from a lack of motivation. We look at a task and feel a wave of resistance wash over us. That's where the 2-minute rule comes in handy. This simple yet effective technique encourages you to tackle any task that can be completed in 2 minutes or less immediately. Whether it's replying to an email, putting away laundry, or wiping down the kitchen counter, do it now. The beauty of the 2-minute rule lies in its ability to break down inertia and create momentum. By completing quick tasks right away, you build a sense of accomplishment and generate positive energy. This, in turn, motivates you to tackle larger tasks. Moreover, knocking out small tasks prevents them from piling up and becoming overwhelming later on. Think of the 2-minute rule as a quick win strategy. It's a way to inject small bursts of productivity into your day and combat the tendency to procrastinate. So the next time you encounter a task that can be done in 2 minutes or less, don't hesitate. Embrace the 2-minute rule and watch as it transforms your approach to tackling tasks.
It's important to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Rewarding yourself for completing tasks, especially those you've been procrastinating on, reinforces positive behavior and motivates you to keep going. Think about what motivates you and choose rewards that are meaningful to you. It could be something as simple as a short break, a favorite snack, or an episode of your favorite show. The key is to create a positive association with completing tasks. By rewarding yourself, you're training your brain to see productivity as something enjoyable and rewarding. This helps shift your mindset from dreading tasks to anticipating the reward that comes with completing them. Remember, rewards don't have to be extravagant or expensive. The most effective rewards are those that are personally meaningful and motivating to you. So, go ahead and celebrate your successes. You deserve it. Scientific research provides valuable insights into the nature of procrastination and how to overcome it. Studies published in reputable journals like PubMed and the American Journal of Science have shed light on effective strategies for combating procrastination. For instance, research has shown that breaking down tasks into smaller steps significantly reduces the perceived difficulty and increases the likelihood of task completion. Furthermore, studies have highlighted the importance of self-compassion in overcoming procrastination. Being kind to yourself when you slip up, rather than engaging in self-criticism, can boost motivation and prevent future procrastination. These findings emphasize that procrastination is a common human behavior influenced by various psychological factors. By understanding the science behind procrastination, we can develop evidence-based strategies to enhance productivity. So, keep an eye out for scientific findings and incorporate them into your personal toolkit for combating procrastination.
Ready to take your productivity to the next level? Facts Academy 0122 is a community dedicated to helping individuals conquer procrastination and unlock their full potential. We provide a supportive environment where you can connect with like-minded individuals, learn proven techniques, and stay motivated on your journey to peak productivity. Our program offers a wealth of resources, including expert-led webinars, interactive workshops, and personalized coaching sessions. We'll guide you through the science of procrastination, provide practical tips and tricks, and help you develop a personalized action plan to achieve your goals. Join Facts Academy 0122 today and become part of a thriving community that's passionate about beating procrastination and achieving success. Together, we can make procrastination a thing of the past.
Congratulations on taking this important step towards conquering procrastination. Remember, procrastination is a habit, not a personality trait, and habits can be changed with effort and the right strategies. By understanding the psychology behind procrastination, breaking down tasks into smaller steps, setting realistic deadlines, and rewarding yourself for your accomplishments, you can transform your approach to tackling tasks and boost your productivity. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Everyone slips up occasionally. The key is to learn from your experiences, adjust your strategies, and keep moving forward. Remember, even small steps forward contribute to big achievements. So, embrace the journey, celebrate your successes, and never stop striving for your goals. You've got the power to overcome procrastination and unlock your full potential. Believe in yourself, take action, and watch as you achieve amazing things. Pause 2S. Let's recap the key points and actionable steps you can take to beat procrastination once and for all. First, remember the importance of understanding why you procrastinate. Recognize the triggers and patterns that lead you to put things off. Next, break down your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the workload seem less daunting and helps you make steady progress. Set realistic deadlines for each step and hold yourself accountable. Use tools like to-do lists, planners, or apps to keep track of your progress. Reward yourself for completing tasks no matter how small. Positive reinforcement can boost your motivation and keep you moving forward. Stay organized by creating a clutter-free workspace and prioritizing your tasks based on urgency and importance. Implement the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This helps prevent small tasks from piling up. Finally, maintain your momentum with quick wins. Tackle easy tasks first to build confidence and create a sense of accomplishment. Remember to celebrate your successes, no matter how minor they may seem. Reflect on your progress, adjust your strategies as needed, and keep pushing forward. By following these actionable steps, you can overcome procrastination and achieve your goals. Stay focused, stay motivated, and keep taking those small steps forward. You've got this. Pause 1S. Now that you have all these powerful tools and strategies to beat procrastination, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Every small action you take today brings you one step closer to your goals. Pause 1S. Whether it's a task you've been dreading or a new project you're excited about, commit to taking the first step right now. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the drive to make a change. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome procrastination. Pause 1S. And if you need more resources, tips, and inspiration, visit Facts Academy. We've got a wealth of information designed to help you stay motivated and achieve your dreams. Click the link in the description to explore more. Pause 1S. You have the power to transform your life, starting today. So go ahead, take that first step, and make it happen. You've got this. Pause 1S. Thank you for watching, and remember, every action counts. See you next time at Facts Academy.